horn went, engine purred. Friendliest sounds you've ever heard. Little blue truck came down the road. Said Blue to the big green Toad. Toad said, croak, and winked an eye. When little blue truck went rolling by, sheep said, cow said, oink, said the piggy, and said Blue. Cluck, said the chicken, and her chick said, said the goat, and Blue said, said the horse, said the duck, said the friendly little blue truck. He said, honk, said the dump truck coming through. I've got big important things to do. I haven't got time. Truck, yeah, there's the truck, to pass the day with every duck along the way. Went the duck around the curve. He saw a puddle, he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Huh? Cried Dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Then, Miles, look at this. Into the mud, bump, 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 came the little blue truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed, pushed with all his might. Push! Yeah. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Push! Help, 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 cried the little blue truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. Push. Now the cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran a big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the little blue truck. Head to head and rump to rump, there's the truck. They all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green Toad. Look at his muscles. And Mama's muscles, yeah. All together.
Yeah, they're your muscles, man.
Those are your muscles, yeah. 1, 2, 3. One last push, and the trucks were
push.
free.
Push.
Push. Thanks, little brother, said Dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on helping hands from a few good friends. What did the truck say? Beep, beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Bah, moo, cluck, peep, they croak, ma, and it was beep.
Yay!
Yay.
The